In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses must adapt to stay relevant and vibrant. MyDeal faced a challenge they needed to overcome decisively. The initial app install campaign struggled to engage users effectively with static ads in a banner format. Low interaction rates highlighted the need for a transformative approach. A solution was proposed: launch a dynamic overlay alongside the existing banner to captivate audiences instantly. This strategic move promised a boost in user engagement and app downloads. MyDeal decided to offer an enticing 10,000 free referrals for 1 month, showcasing the potential of Rokt's innovative solutions. The timing was perfect, targeting the lucrative Q4 transaction spike. By integrating robust web and iOS/Android SDKs, MyDeal set the stage to track purchases meticulously. Utilizing AppsFlyer for app installs would provide invaluable insights to fine-tune their strategy. The new overlay placement on the confirmation page rolled out, targeting both desktop and mobile users. This enhancement paired seamlessly with Rokt's advanced machine learning technology, selecting tailored offers for customers. In a matter of just 4 months, the app install campaign yielded impressive results. MyDeal achieved a remarkable 30% install rate at a low cost of just 84 cents per install. Viewer engagement skyrocketed, boasting an astounding average of 26% across desktop and mobile devices. The vibrant overlay captured the interest of consumers like never before. Incredibly, Rokt demonstrated its value swiftly, helping MyDeal reach the goal of 10,000 referrals in merely 7 days. This initial success paved the way for future collaboration. Looking ahead, MyDeal envisions expanding placements throughout their site, enhancing customer interactions further. With Rokt's expertise, they aim to unlock the full potential of their app installs for long-term growth.